Hello, hello mga kababayan. Andito kami sa may BSU grounds para tingnan yung concert ni Bamboo.
Five lucky winners for a grocery pack.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Cordillera Nightingale. Let us all welcome Miss Ingrid Payakil.
Yes, na-invite kamalong beautiful Benguet! Ready na ba kayong kumanta, humiyaw, at sumayaw? Alright, shout out sa ating mga natataraki kung napipintas ng kakailian. Alright, so let's go ahead and start it off with a country song. I would like to invite everyone to enjoy and have fun. Alright, music please. Of course, pasalamatan din natin si Congressman Erica. Palakpakan naman po natin siya. Thanks so much for making this event possible. And many more to come.
Ay, maadi mo. Patas ako. Mansukso.
Alright, here we go! Woo! Wherever you go, wherever you may wander, do you know? Always wanna be there, holding your hand, and standing by to catch you when it falls, seeing it through. Everything you do, here we go. Let me be there in your morning, let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right. Let me take you through that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. Alright. Watching you grow and going through the changes in our life. That's how I know I'll always wanna be there. Whenever you feel you need a friend to lean on, wherever you call, you know that I'll be there. Here we go, one more time. Let me be there in your morning. Let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. One more time, Megan. Let me be there in your morning. Let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right. Yeah, let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. All I ask you is let me be there. Alright, sumigaw sa lahat ng mga nandito sa BSU! Excited na ba kayong mapanood sina Bamboo? Si Darren Espanto? Si Rocksteady? Alright, and many, many more surprises. Ang dami. Hello mga kabaaks! Kaway-kaway dyan! Let's make this a moment to remember you and me. Alright, from a story is behind.
Single na ka na namin.
The Arizona sky na pinanggagalingan ng lakas natin. At siya ang tanging pinaguhugutan natin ng lakas. So remember, if you are in a dark place, there's always hope, there's always light, and there's always help. The song is entitled Saving Grace. Imagine yourself in the middle of the ocean, in the middle of the dark, trying to find that light. Feeling so lost in the dark, don't know where I'm going. Dreams almost shattered apart, the wind just stopped blowing.